In this video, we're going to learn how to do fillets and tangent lines. So let's assume that we have a circle and you would like to make sure that you have a tangent to this circle. Let's assume that the circle size is 40. And now let's try to create a tangent line to the circle. So you press to draw and then line. Now once you tap over here and there, you won't be able to see any tangent snap points. How to make sure that you have a tangent line? Simply, before you start the line, you write down in the type a command area tangent. Then enter. Now once you touch the circle, you'll be able to see the snap point become different. Now if you go and decide to draw your line, see, whenever a place you would like to draw, you will always have a tangent line. And that's it.